YouTube, Mocha Natural here. It is 1 o'clock a.m. here in Georgia, and I just finished getting my hair washed, deep conditioned, protein treatment, and a trim. I got quite a bit taken off. Yes, I did, and I'm really not missing it. I'm loving the fact that I can actually, go through my hair without getting snags, without feeling the harsh ends that the dead split ends was giving me. She did a very good job. I mean, I have bounce. Look at that. I mean, it just feels healthy, So, I am feeling really good about just, having a brand new start with healthy hair. Apparently, it's been bad for quite some time. The last time I had a professional trim was back in July of last year. So, here we are again. I'm not starting completely over, but it's still a pretty good length. So, I'm pretty happy with it. I am going to be putting crochet braids in tomorrow, and so I will come back with a video on what I've done with that. I'm actually excited because I found a new type of hair. It's called the Jamaica braid, and it looks like, Shirley Temple ringlets, but when you actually separate them, they have like this really nice afro texture ringlet to them. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to show the video of it. I also am going to be trying out Freetress's Tangle Curl. I saw a couple of videos on that, and it's a different, spiral type of curl, and so I want to see how that looks on me as well. But I'm going to start with the Jamaica braid and wear that for maybe a month and a half, and then move on to the Tangle Curl. So anyhow, I just wanted to show you guys my new cut, my new trim, whatever you want to call it, just a new beginning to healthy hair. It is late or early in the morning, and I've got to go to church, so peace out.